Friendship Friday is big buddies paired up with their little buddies. So the buddy program here at Woodside is something that we're really trying to shine a light on. It's one of our pillars here at the Innovative School. So trying to build mentorship opportunities for our students, small and big. All of our big kids rise to the occasion of being a role model to the younger students, and then seeing the look on the younger student's face as it's just pure excitement getting to spend the day with their big buddy today on the playground.
My daughter loves having a buddy. She's in 3rd grade. She's an only child, so having a buddy really helps her be more social. She gets to see how like a role model is and how an older child works like with the school and what her experiences are. And she just really loves it.
My daughter is also in 3rd grade and she loves having a big buddy. She loves just getting to experience like an older child to kind of play with and interact with, because at home she is the older child. As a parent and as a part of Woodside PTO, I have been very excited about the innovation that the school has been doing. One of my favorite things is the garden that the kids have. I feel like it's very important to have that kind of hands-on learning for young children. You know, as parents, we can only provide so much at home, so it's great to have that sort of stuff at school for them.
I have lots of siblings, so it kind of like pushes my patience. So like having a buddy like teaches me to have more patience and to be like more calm. I really like when like I see my buddies from last year or I see my new buddy and they like run up to me and give me a hug or something. That's really nice.
My favorite part about having a buddy is just hanging out with them. They're important to have so we could teach them about responsibility and stuff like that.